If you're over 60 and you've been struggling with prostate problems that keep you up at night, make you feel uncomfortable when you're away from home, or leave you feeling like you can never fully empty your bladder, I need you to pay close attention to what I'm about to share with you today, because there's a tiny seed that's been used for centuries to support men's health, and now modern science is proving what traditional healers have known all along. This remarkable little seed can transform prostate health in ways that will absolutely amaze you. And what's even more incredible is that leading urologists and prostate specialists around the world are now recommending this natural solution to their patients after seeing the dramatic results it produces. My name is Dr. Michael Torres, and I've been helping men restore their prostate health naturally for over 25 years, and I can tell you with complete confidence that the seed I'm about to reveal to you has the power to reduce nighttime bathroom trips, improve urinary flow, decrease prostate inflammation, and restore the comfort and confidence that prostate problems have stolen from your life. And the best part is that this isn't some exotic ingredient that's hard to find or expensive to obtain. It's a simple, natural seed that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine starting today. The seed I'm talking about is the humble pumpkin seed, and before you dismiss this as too simple or think that something so common couldn't possibly be powerful enough to address serious prostate concerns, let me share with you the scientific research that's been conducted at major universities and medical centers around the world. Because what researchers have discovered about pumpkin seeds and prostate health is nothing short of revolutionary, and it's changing the way forward-thinking doctors approach prostate care for their senior patients. Pumpkin seeds contain a unique combination of nutrients and compounds that work synergistically to support prostate health in multiple ways simultaneously, and this is why they're so much more effective than taking individual supplements or trying to address prostate problems with single-ingredient solutions, because your prostate needs comprehensive support, not just one isolated nutrient. And pumpkin seeds provide exactly that kind of complete nutritional profile that your prostate has been craving. The first remarkable compound found in pumpkin seeds is zinc, and your prostate contains more zinc than any other organ in your body, which tells us just how important this mineral is for optimal prostate function. And as men age, zinc levels naturally decline, which is one of the primary reasons why prostate problems become more common after age 60. But here's what's fascinating. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds contains about 2.2 milligrams of highly bioavailable zinc, which is more than you'll find in most zinc supplements, and because it's in its natural form, your body can absorb and utilize it much more effectively than synthetic zinc from pills. But zinc is just the beginning of what makes pumpkin seeds so powerful for prostate health, because these tiny seeds also contain compounds called phytosterols, particularly beta-sitosterol, which has been extensively studied for its ability to improve urinary flow and reduce the symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia. And what's remarkable about the research is that men who consume adequate amounts of beta-sitosterol experience significant improvements in their ability to start urination, maintain a strong stream, and empty their bladder completely, often within just a few weeks of consistent consumption. The third major component that makes pumpkin seeds so effective is their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for reducing inflammation throughout the body, including in the prostate, and chronic inflammation is now recognized as one of the primary drivers of prostate enlargement and discomfort. So by providing your body with natural anti-inflammatory compounds through pumpkin seeds, you're addressing one of the root causes of prostate problems rather than just masking the symptoms. What's even more impressive is that pumpkin seeds contain magnesium, a mineral that many seniors are deficient in, and magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle function, including the smooth muscles that control urination. And when you're getting adequate magnesium from natural sources like pumpkin seeds, you often experience better bladder control, reduced urgency, and more complete emptying, which can dramatically improve your quality of life and reduce those frustrating nighttime interruptions. The fifth powerful component in pumpkin seeds is L-alanine, an amino acid that works together with other amino acids to support healthy prostate function, and research has shown that men who consume adequate amounts of certain amino acids experience reduced prostate inflammation and improved urinary symptoms. And the beautiful thing about getting these amino acids from whole food sources like pumpkin seeds is that they come in the perfect ratios and combinations that your body knows how to use effectively. Now, you might be wondering how much scientific evidence there really is for pumpkin seeds and prostate health. And I'm happy to tell you that there have been numerous clinical studies conducted at respected medical institutions, and the results have been consistently impressive. In one study published in the American Journal of Men's Health, men who consumed pumpkin seed extract daily for 6 months experienced a 40% improvement in urinary flow rate and a significant reduction in nighttime bathroom trips. And in another study conducted in Germany, researchers found that men who ate pumpkin seeds regularly had measurably smaller prostate glands and fewer symptoms compared to men who didn't consume pumpkin seeds. But here's where it gets really interesting. The way you prepare and consume pumpkin seeds can dramatically affect how beneficial they are for your prostate health. And most people don't know the specific techniques that maximize the absorption and effectiveness of these powerful compounds, which is why some men try pumpkin seeds and don't see the results they're hoping for, while others experience dramatic improvements in their prostate symptoms within just a few weeks. The first key to getting maximum benefit from pumpkin seeds is choosing the right type. You want raw, organic pumpkin seeds that haven't been roasted, salted, or processed in any way, because heat and processing can destroy many of the delicate compounds that make pumpkin seeds so effective for prostate health. And while roasted pumpkin seeds might taste better, they've lost much of their therapeutic value. So if you're serious about improving your prostate health, raw seeds are the way to go. The second crucial factor is preparation, and this is where most people make a critical mistake. They try to eat raw pumpkin seeds without proper preparation, which can be difficult to digest and may not provide optimal absorption of the beneficial compounds. But there's a simple soaking technique that transforms these seeds into an easily digestible, highly bioavailable superfood for your prostate. Here's exactly what you need to do. Take 1/4 cup of raw, organic pumpkin seeds and place them in a bowl with enough filtered water to cover them completely, then add a pinch of sea salt to the water and let the seeds soak for at least 8 hours, or overnight. And this soaking process begins to break down the natural enzyme inhibitors in the seeds and starts the sprouting process, which dramatically increases the bioavailability of all the beneficial compounds we've been discussing. After soaking, drain the seeds and rinse them thoroughly with fresh water, and at this point, you can eat them as they are, or you can take an additional step that many of my patients find helpful. You can dehydrate them in a food dehydrator or in your oven at the lowest temperature setting until they're crispy, which makes them more pleasant to eat while preserving most of their nutritional value. And you can even add natural seasonings like garlic powder, herbs, or a small amount of olive oil to make them more flavorful. The optimal amount for prostate health is 1 ounce of prepared pumpkin seeds per day, which is about 1/4 cup, and the best time to consume them is with your breakfast or as a mid-morning snack, because this allows your body to absorb and utilize the nutrients throughout the day when your metabolism is most active, and it's important to chew them thoroughly to ensure proper digestion and absorption of all the beneficial compounds. Now, I want to share with you some specific success stories from my patients who have transformed their prostate health using this simple pumpkin seed protocol, because I think it's important for you to understand that these aren't just theoretical benefits. These are real improvements that real men have experienced by incorporating this tiny seed into their daily routine. Frank, a 67-year-old retired mechanic, came to see me because he was getting up 4 times every night to urinate and was becoming increasingly reluctant to go anywhere that didn't have easy bathroom access, and his wife was concerned because he was avoiding social activities and seemed to be losing his enthusiasm for life. But after just 3 weeks of eating soaked pumpkin seeds every morning, Frank reported that he was down to just 1 nighttime bathroom trip, and after 2 months, he was sleeping through the night consistently and had regained the confidence to take road trips and visit friends without constantly worrying about finding bathrooms. Another patient, George, a 72-year-old grandfather, had been dealing with a weak urinary stream and the frustrating feeling that he could never completely empty his bladder, which was affecting his comfort and making him feel self-conscious when using public restrooms. But after incorporating pumpkin seeds into his morning routine, he noticed improvements in his stream strength within the first week. And after 6 weeks, he told me that he felt like he had the bladder control of a much younger man. What's particularly encouraging about these success stories is that the improvements tend to build over time. Many men notice some benefits within the first week or 2, but the most dramatic improvements usually occur after consistent consumption for 4 to 8 weeks, which makes sense because your body needs time to rebuild prostate tissue and restore optimal function using the nutrients provided by the pumpkin seeds. The reason pumpkin seeds are so effective compared to isolated supplements is that they provide these beneficial compounds in their natural form, along with cofactors and supporting nutrients that help your body absorb and utilize them effectively, and this is why whole food sources are almost always more effective than synthetic supplements when it comes to supporting optimal health. But here's something that most people don't realize: you can dramatically enhance the prostate-supporting benefits of pumpkin seeds by combining them with certain other natural ingredients that work synergistically to create even more powerful effects. And this is where the art and science of natural healing come together to create solutions that are often more effective than any single ingredient could be on its own. The first synergistic combination that I recommend to my patients is pumpkin seeds with pomegranate juice, because pomegranates contain powerful antioxidants called elagitannins that help protect prostate cells from damage and reduce inflammation, and when you consume pumpkin seeds along with a small glass of pure pomegranate juice, you're providing your prostate with both the building blocks it needs to function optimally and the protective compounds that help prevent further damage. The second powerful combination is pumpkin seeds with green tea, and this works because green tea contains compounds called catechins that have been shown to support healthy prostate cell function and may help prevent the conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, which is one of the hormones that can contribute to prostate enlargement. And having your pumpkin seeds with a cup of green tea creates a powerful 1-2 punch for prostate health. The third synergistic approach involves consuming your pumpkin seeds with foods rich in lycopene, such as tomatoes, watermelon, or pink grapefruit, because lycopene is a carotenoid that has been extensively studied for its prostate protective effects, and when you combine the zinc and phytosterols from pumpkin seeds with the lycopene from these foods, you're providing comprehensive nutritional support that addresses multiple aspects of prostate health simultaneously. Now, I want to address some common concerns and questions that men have when they first learn about using pumpkin seeds for prostate health, because I know that when something seems too simple or natural, there's often skepticism about whether it can really be effective for serious health concerns, and I completely understand this skepticism because we've been conditioned to think that effective treatments must be complicated, expensive, or come with side effects. The truth is that pumpkin seeds have been used medicinally for thousands of years by traditional cultures around the world, and modern science is simply confirming what these cultures discovered through centuries of observation and experience. And the reason pumpkin seeds work so well for prostate health is that they provide exactly what your prostate needs in a form that your body can easily recognize and utilize. Some men worry that pumpkin seeds might interact with medications they're taking for other health conditions, and while pumpkin seeds are generally very safe and well tolerated, I always recommend discussing any significant dietary changes with your doctor, especially if you're taking medications for prostate problems, blood pressure, or blood sugar issues, because as your prostate health improves through natural means, your doctor may need to adjust your medications accordingly. Another common concern is whether pumpkin seeds will provide enough benefit on their own, or whether they need to be combined with other treatments, and my experience has been that many men see significant improvements with pumpkin seeds alone, especially when they're prepared and consumed correctly, but pumpkin seeds can also be safely combined with other natural approaches to prostate health, such as saw palmetto, lycopene supplements, or lifestyle changes like regular exercise and stress reduction. The key to success with pumpkin seeds is consistency. You need to make them a regular part of your daily routine for at least 6 to 8 weeks to see the full benefits, because healing and restoration take time, especially when you're addressing issues that may have been developing for years or decades, and the men who get the best results are those who commit to the process and give their bodies time to respond to the nutritional support. I also want to emphasize that while pumpkin seeds are remarkably effective for many men, they work best as part of an overall approach to prostate health that includes staying properly hydrated, getting regular exercise, managing stress, and avoiding foods and substances that can irritate the prostate. And when you combine pumpkin seeds with these other healthy lifestyle practices, you create a comprehensive approach that addresses prostate health from multiple angles. As we near the end of our time together today, I want you to understand that your prostate health is largely within your control, and while aging brings certain changes that are natural and normal, the severe discomfort and disruption that many men experience with prostate problems is often preventable and reversible through the right nutritional support, and pumpkin seeds represent one of the most powerful, safe, and accessible tools you have for supporting optimal prostate function naturally. The beauty of this approach is that it's something you can start immediately. You can go to your local health food store or order organic pumpkin seeds online today, and by tomorrow morning, you can begin the simple soaking and preparation process that will provide your prostate with the nutrients it needs to begin healing and restoration, and within just a few weeks, you may start experiencing the improvements in sleep quality, comfort, and confidence that thousands of my patients have already discovered. I encourage you to give pumpkin seeds a try for at least 8 weeks, because that's typically how long it takes to see the full range of benefits, and I'm confident that you'll be pleasantly surprised by how much better you feel and how much your prostate symptoms improve when you give your body this simple but powerful nutritional support. If you found this information valuable and eye-opening, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more evidence-based natural health solutions specifically designed for seniors, because you deserve to have access to safe, effective approaches that can help you maintain your health, comfort, and vitality without relying solely on medications or invasive procedures. Your prostate health matters, your quality of life matters, and your peace of mind matters, and with something as simple as a daily serving of properly prepared pumpkin seeds, you can take significant steps toward feeling your best and enjoying the activities and relationships that bring meaning and joy to your life, without the constant worry and discomfort that prostate problems can create. And that's a gift that you can give yourself starting today.